This is Mark Hilliard from Beyond 20. Today I'd like to talk about how we limit searches using prompts instead of just filters. So if you wanted to say add a search for a report, or you wanted to add a search button on a widget in a dashboard, you could actually request input or feedback from the user in order to properly filter and constrain the search. So today we're going to do this. We're going to go ahead and do this in our blue pill, as we do have our search manager here, and I'm going to open him up. As you can see, we have a lot of searches by default. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my own user folder, but you can put this in a global folder if you felt you wanted to, and just create a new search. Now let's call it open incidents by create date. In this case, so I want to go ahead and pull in all my open incidents. So first thing I want to do is make sure that the status is not closed. And also that it's not resolved, because I really do want just open incidents. So make sure that we have both of those set. And then really what I want to do is I just want to go ahead and pick a create date. In this case, what we'll do is we'll create a new comparison here, and we'll say we want the created date time to be, well, could be today, but really what I want to do is I want to use a prompt. So I go ahead and select prompt here, and we'll call it create date. Please enter the date you wish to see. And we make sure this prompt is a date prompt. You can make a date time as well, so they could enter a date and a time, but we'll just make a date for the purposes of this particular demonstration. And then go ahead and click OK. In this case, instead of you getting a date that I choose by building the search, you can get a date that you choose because I ask you what date you want to see your incident. Now you could also say that it's maybe you want it to be greater than or equal. In this case now it'll show me create dates greater or equal to the prompt itself. I think I lost my prompt there by changing that, so let's do that again. Date. Okay. There we go. And we click OK. And now I've stored this query. Really all I got to do is run it. There it is. Ask me for the create date. Let's say, I know this is some older data, so we'll just say anything that was done after June 30th, 2014. And that gives me a list of everything that was created in the system after June 14th, or June 30th, 2014, that is actually still open. That's really all there is to it. I hope this little tip has helped you. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at our website, www.beyond20.com. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Beyond 20 LLC. Thank you.